açık gelmezsiniz.
Good day, Zaur is here with you from Trails of Eurasia TV. So far we've been showing you Azerbaijani, Italian cuisine, and today's episode is going to be about Chinese cuisine. And for that we've picked the best, #1 restaurant in the country called Great Wall. And it's not just Chinese cuisine. It's about Chinese owner, Chinese chef, and even the entire family of Chinese people who run this business here. They can speak local Azerbaijani language. Let's check it out.
亲爱的朋友们，大家好，欢迎来到巴库长城饭店。我们这里有全巴库最好的中餐，来这里你可以享受到来自中国各地的美食。接下来就让我来为大家介绍一下有什么呢？大家看看，这是我们的火锅。我们有2种，一种是这种小火锅，然后有2种口味，一种是清汤的，一种是辣的，辣的在最里面。请看，锅底里面有一些牛肉。
And Trails of Eurasia team is honored to have lunch together with the owners of Great Wall Restaurant, Chinese cuisine in Azerbaijan, Baku. Here is tofu flour. Should be dropped in here.
Choose this one. And this.
This is soy sauce, yeah?
Yes.
Sadece yemeği.
Yine.
Sadece yemeği.
It's garlic. And you can try it.
Okay.
It's delicious.
It's like a meat, but it's tofu. Nice. I like it. I'll go for more. So, and after 5 minutes of cooking time, you see the shrimp in this condition. Family values are very important in Chinese culture, and that's why we see how the family is inviting us to have this beautiful lunch and enjoy interesting talk and beautiful tasty food. You really feel like you're home. You didn't really go to any restaurant. You're just at home having a beautiful food with the family. So we met a family who's having lunch, and we can even check their opinion, what they think about the food they're having in Azerbaijan. It's a Chinese cuisine. So how was your meal so far?
Delicious.
Delicious. #1.
Yeah, very.
We cannot find anywhere else here in Azerbaijan, only that is good. Now again, maybe next week again we are here.
That's great to hear. As you can see, even expats are enjoying Chinese cuisine in Azerbaijan. Thank you so much, yeah? So keep enjoying your lunchtime. See you around. So whenever you are in Baku, Azerbaijan, and you wish to try another cuisine, Great Wall is the choice to have. Come over and enjoy beautiful and tasty Chinese cuisine. See you soon.